In this video, we will look on more examples of how to calculate squares, because this topic is relatively very important in aptitude exams. So, like in earlier video, I told you to calculate square of, let's say, 88, and we end up calculating squares of a 8-digit number using this method. So if you must watch my earlier videos of how to calculate squares of 2-digit number and how to calculate squares of any digit number, let's say, and we end up calculating in last video a square of a 8-digit number using this method. So here the tricky part in this method is to know what the base should be taken. So here, let's say I have to calculate 127 whole square. So either I can take a base of 130 or I can take a base of 100, right? So in this video we will learn how to take a good base and which base we should take to. So I will show you how to do this problem with two methods, not two methods, but how to do this when we have two bases. Okay, so now we will calculate 127 square taking a base of 130 and 100. So if I take a base of 130, so that is like 13 into 10. So what I have to find is x and y and a. My x is number minus base. So my number which I have to square of is 127. So 127 minus 130. That will give me minus 3. That is my x. Now I have to find out my y, and my y is number plus x. My number is 127 and x I got was minus 3. So 127 minus 3, that will give me 124. And what is my a here? A is a multiple of what, 10-digit number, or multiple of. So what is my a here? Ay slash my y is 124 and my a is 13. So 13 into 124 slash x square. What is my x? X is minus 3. Square of minus 3 is 9. Now in the next step I have to check the number of zeros. Number of zeros is 1. This is 1 digit, so we are fine. So now we have to multiply 13 into 124 and we will get the answer. So if we multiply 13 into 124, that will give me 1612. But multiplying 13 into 124 is a bit, you need to calculate it. So in the next method, if we take, so we will compare it with if we were taken a base of 100. So we will compare it. So now my x will be 127 minus 100, number minus base, and my y will be number plus x, and my x was 27, so number was 127. 127 plus 27 will give me 154. And here my y and my a is 1, because this is multiple of 10 itself. So this is 10 into 10, that is 100. So here my a is 1. Now what is my x square? X square is 27 square. So here I have to calculate 27 square, but as I told you in my the first video, how to calculate a square of a 2-digit number, a square, 2ab, b square. So here I have to calculate a square of 27. I will do it in orange. So 2 square, 2 is my a, 2 into a into b, that will give me 2 into 2 4, 4 into 7 28. B square is 7 square, that is 49. So 9, 4 is carry forward, that will give me 32. 2 is here, 3 is carry forward, 3 plus 4 is 7. So 729 is square of 27. So we have used both the tricks here. We have used a trick to solve 2-digit number as well as 3-digit number. Number of zeros here are 2, so I have to take only 2-digit here, and 7 will be from the 729, 7 will be carried forward. So 7 plus 154 is 161. So this is my answer. So using both the methods I get the same answer, but here I had to multiply it with 13. I had to do this multiplication. So you have to use your common sense, and you have to practice this method more often, so that you will be able to do this calculation in exam in 30 or 40 seconds. But this even if you multiply this 13 into 124, that will also be helpful, because here you have to multiply a 3-digit number with 3-digit number. But I will recommend in this kind of questions you must take a base of 100, because you can use this method of calculating a square of 2-digit number and apply it here. Thank you.
TestBharat.com, you can get free test series of all major competitive exams. All these services, all these tests are absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself on TestBharat.com or download our Android app as TestBharat on Google Play.